Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asya Malika Puranta. I will speak about why artists view the urban landscape as their canvas. We often see artists creating their work, turn off street art, then the street art will attract the attention of many people who pass by and see it. I think they good cause they can see the urban landscape as canvas. But who can artists image it? Firstly, those artists where the style work communities their ages have another ethnic. They can see fit and single impression converse out. It will make the final result good. Secondly, for them the wheel is just a canvas because of their many images. For example, Max Kalkupa, Snowfenia, the city full of street art. Artists gather to express all their ideas. Lastly, they have broad image. They love have a lot of impression that they want to show to people so that to it at not. The street art they have their own style when they draw. In conclusion, it's just like hobby for them. Draw with whoever they want, so I have big respect for them because they're casting. Thank you.